Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing cash stuffing for July paycheck, which is 15,100 rupees. If you have seen my last video, you will know that I have done some changes in my categories. So let's see them one by one. Let's start with the monthly expenses. So in monthly expenses, RD as usual gets 1000 rupees, light bill gets 500, milk gets 1800, newspaper gets 300, shopping and skincare will be getting 400 this month, and investment, as I said in my last video, I have started an SIP from this month, 1000 rupees per month for 3 years. So for that I'll be investing 1000 rupees, and as these I'll be paying online, so this is the total of 5000 rupees which will be in my bank account only, and for the rest of the money we will be doing cash stuffing, and that is 15,100 minus 5000 rupees is 10,100 rupees. So today we are cash stuffing for 10,100 rupees. So in my cash envelopes I have done some changes. If you will see my previous videos, I have two categories. One was salon and another was quality time. So right now I have combined both of them and I have created one category as spending. So this will be my spending money for all the personal spending that I'll need to do. So spending will be getting 800 rupees, then grocery will be getting 2000 rupees, vegetables will be getting 1000, and petrol will be getting 500 rupees. In my sinking funds, Diwali will be getting 1000 rupees, mobile recharge will be getting 300 rupees, cooking gas will be getting 400, all birthdays will get 0, my birthday will get 500 rupees, bike maintenance will get 300, health will get 300, and another travel envelope that I'm starting from this month, this will get 1000 rupees. This is because I am planning to go on small holiday or weekend and I have no separate money saved for it, so that is why I'm starting this envelope. And then 52-week challenge will be stuffing 2000 rupees this month, and as I said, with my travel envelope plus investment category, I won't be able to continue my 50-week challenge anymore. So we'll be doing only 50-week challenge for our savings, plus I also have a recurring deposit of 1000 rupees. So I guess these two savings are enough for now, but as soon as I complete my 52-week challenge, I will continue doing my 50-week challenge as well. So today we are stuffing 10,100 rupees. So without further ado, let's get into the stuffing. So starting with spending, I am putting 800 rupees in this. So 500, 200, 100. So this is 800 rupees in spending. Grocery will get 2000 rupees. So I'll be putting the only 2000 note that I have here. Then vegetables will get 1000 rupees. And petrol will get 500 rupees as usual. So this will go into my wallet. I have last month ka some change, 60 rupees, and I also have a lot of coins. Let me get my coin jar. So I am back with my coin jar. You see, there are a lot of coins in there. This is not a saving challenge or anything. It's just whenever my wallet gets heavy with the coins, I put all the coins in this jar, and whoever needs it, they get it from this jar. So this is not a saving challenge. But it's quite heavy. So let's get on to our sinking funds. So Diwali will get 1000 rupees. So in Diwali now we have 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 rupees. Mobile recharge will get 300 rupees. This is empty. मैंने लास्ट मंथ ही मेरे मोबाइल रिचार्ज करवाए थे. So this is 300. Gas will get 400 rupees. This is also empty. All birthday is not going to get anything this month. My birthday will get 500 rupees. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3500 in my birthday. Then bike maintenance will get 300 rupees. Bike maintenance has some money in it. 1200, so 300, 200. So now we have 1000, 200, 400, 500, 1500 in bike maintenance. Health will get 300 and this has 200 in it. So we have 500 in our health envelope. Then next is travel, which I'm starting now. So this is a temporary envelope. I'll be updating in new one. Actually, I'm creating new envelope for all the categories. So till the time I'll be using this one. Traveling will get 1000 rupees. So first 1000 rupees in my travel envelope. And then my 52-week challenge. So I'll grab my diary. Now I want to finish this challenge as soon as possible, and then I want to continue my 50-week challenge. So this month I'll be putting 500, 460, 370, 290, 240, 130 and 10, which is total of 2000 rupees. So this remaining cash should be 2000 rupees. 1000, 2000. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. I know मैंने बहुत जल्दी में शूट किया है आज का वीडियो, लेकिन मुझे अभी ऑफिस के लिए लॉगिन करना है इसलिए. But thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this with your friends and family, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.